So you will have noticed in this slide that the word cycle comes up, and we've sort of already been through what cycle means, but let's just read this sentence here. So the word cycle makes us think about things that go round and round, like the wheels on your bike or a scooter. And we're now looking at, we looked at last week the life cycle of a butterfly, but now we're looking at the life cycle of a human. And we went through what a life cycle is last week, but let's just remind ourselves of what it is. So a life cycle describes the life of a living being or living thing from when it is born to when it grows up, including all the changes during this time. So we've got here the life cycle of a butterfly, which we looked at. We have got the life cycle of a frog, which some of you may have researched, and then we've also got here the life cycle of a kangaroo and all the different stages in each. So we are going to look at the different stages of being a human. So I want you in 30 seconds to think of as many different stages of being a human as you can. So below is a picture to help you start. Alright, have 30 seconds starting from now. I hope that you paused the video and thought of as many of the different stages as possible. So now we're going to look at the very simple cycle shown here of a human. Alright, and we're going to be looking at each of these here and what they are, what changes there are, what they do,